Welcome to the Bike Review, your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle insights. Today, we explore the pinnacle of engineering and performance, the BMW M1000RR 2025. A motorcycle that blurs the line between track dominance and road-going sophistication, the M1000RR is a masterpiece crafted for speed enthusiasts and connoisseurs alike. The BMW M1000RR 2025 boasts an aggressive yet refined design, embodying its race-inspired DNA. The lightweight carbon fiber bodywork is sculpted to perfection, featuring advanced aerodynamics that enhance stability at high speeds. The redesigned winglets generate even more downforce than its predecessor, ensuring optimal control on straights and in corners. Paired with a striking livery, the M1000RR exudes a sense of exclusivity and power. At the heart of the BMW M1000RR 2025 lies its beating soul, a 999cc inline-4 engine derived from BMW's World Superbike platform. Delivering an astonishing 212 horsepower at 14,500 revolutions per minute and 113 Nm of torque at 11,000 revolutions per minute, this machine offers blistering acceleration and top-tier performance. The engine features a titanium exhaust system and BMW's shift cam technology for improved efficiency and power delivery across the rev range. The M1000RR is equipped with cutting-edge electronics that redefine riding dynamics. The 6-axis IMU provides precise data for cornering abs, traction control, and wheelie control, ensuring unparalleled safety and performance. Additionally, the 6.5-inch TFT display offers customizable riding modes, including rain, road, dynamic, and race, to cater to various riding conditions and prefer. BMW has engineered the M1000RR's chassis for razor-sharp handling. The lightweight aluminum frame is paired with fully adjustable suspension components from Öhlins, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup. Brembo-style McCalipers, in combination with 320mm discs, deliver exceptional braking power. The result is a motorcycle that feels at home on the racetrack while remaining manageable on winding roads. The BMW M1000RR 2025 achieves a dry weight of just 192 kilograms, thanks to the extensive use of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber, titanium, and magnesium. The M Competition package further reduces weight and enhances performance, offering components like a lighter swing arm, rear sets, and carbon wheels for those seeking the ultimate track experience. The riding experience on the M1000RR is nothing short of exhilarating. Its precise handling, explosive power, and seamless electronics create a sense of connection between the rider and the machine. Whether carving through twisty mountain roads or pushing limits on the racetrack, the M1000RR delivers an unforgettable ride. The BMW M1000RR 2025 comes at a premium price point, reflecting its high-performance capabilities and advanced technology. Starting at approximately $38,000, the motorcycle caters to serious riders and collectors who demand the best. Availability may vary by region, so check with your local BMW Motorrad dealer for details. The BMW M1000RR 2025 is more than just a superbike, it's a statement of engineering excellence and a testament to BMW's racing heritage. With its unparalleled performance, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking design, it stands as a dream machine for motorcycle enthusiasts. Thank you for watching the Bike Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews of the world's most extraordinary bikes. Ride safe and stay tuned for more.